DJM TV.
Welcome to TJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news. All Tinubu small support group don't join body together as they wait make APC begin their national convention. This na DJM TV Daily News Update. Small support groups them all over Nigeria where they support the former governor of Lagos State, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wey don come as I can't declare in presidential ambition, don't come together, come form one group. The support group where they come together to organize themselves into support group management council for Abuja. To say there be different factions, but they don't agree say they go work together to make sure say the vision of Bola Ahmed Tinubu to become the president of Nigeria it come to reality. This one that they do ahead of the national convention of the All Progressive Congress. According to the former governor of Borno State, Kashim Shettima, he say the small groups that we come together, put body together, form one major support group for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say they be believers and followers of the fact say Bola Ahmed Tinubu get better vision for Nigeria. It say if you look for this country everywhere, now only Bola Tinubu now get this kind of noble character, and now only him could fit turn Nigeria around. He said a lot of history over and over again, and according to Martin Luther King, the true measure of a man is when he stands in discomfort. And many people go fit to say, Oga Tinubu serve the country very well, even when he go on exile. Shettima to say, Oga Tinubu na leader in fact Nigeria presidency. If he fall for Tinubu and Nigeria self go know say na leader na they choose. He said he didn't very noble. He don't prove himself. And you know, they into all this tribal sentiment, me and you from one tribe or me and you from one religion, and say he get ready to sacrifice his comfort to protect the democracy of Nigeria. Say true, in what they call patriot of the country. This one is still DJM TV Daily News Update, and if you just join us, you never to miss anything. But don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. So what if this story with the yarn? Small support groups all over Nigeria don't join body together to form one major support group for Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu, one-time governor of Lagos State, where to say his life ambition now to become president of Nigeria. The small support group, they say yes, so their agendas they different, say but their goal now to make sure say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu emerge as president of the country, and this is not the reason why all of them they put body together to form one group just to make sure say they achieve their common goal. One other ogbonge person wey talk for inside the event, one-time member of House of Representatives Abdulmomin Jibrin, doctor say the event na gathering of over 2,500 delegates when various support groups of Bola Ahmed Tinubu nominate to come the event. It also say we will continue to support President Muhammadu Buhari and the leadership, and of course, as Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't declare an intention to run for the office of the president of Nigeria, we will support a ambition because we believe say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu na leader we go fit take Nigeria to the place where Nigeria supposed to be. Now many people don't come and psychoto say Bola Ahmed Tinubu too old for the position. Oh, Bola Ahmed Tinubu his health no dey too stable for the position. Talk go here. But all this one wey they talk, they deter the people where they come and psychoto say we support you for president. Many of them say they support her because they know say the leadership quality will be like say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu he possess. Say now don't be like say Nigeria need to take move forward. So some persons don dey chook mouth for the matter. Some say okay fine, if Bola Ahmed Tinubu get all these qualities wey una dey mention, wetin make am no contest for presidency for 2015 as e get wetin e take to take turn Nigeria around? Wetin make e be like say na now dem wan pack the full country give am as AMPAP? Northern governors dey say we support Tinubu, some southern governors dey say we support Tinubu. Different support groups from all over the country don chook body together now say Oga Tinubu, we dey your back here like this and nobody go fit push us comot. We go support you to the end, and we know say as we support you like this, so you go come out victorious. Now some people dey say wait first, all dis one people dey do now, wetin be their motive? Some say the motive behind some of all these support groups na so that okay fine, if Tinubu become president of the country, he go recognize them, go give some of them position, minister of this, minister of that, contract go touch some people hand. Say all this one e no just make sense. All this one dey come on top the fact say Bola Ahmed Tinubu announced to President Muhammadu Buhari when he go visit am for presidential villa say guy, you know say this thing to become president don dey my mind for a very long time, and even before you become president I support you to become president o. Say but this time around I believe say at time like say I suppose to come out to contest for presidency. Say because my blood dey hot, e don dey my mind for a very long time since when I small now don dey dream say I go be president of this great country Nigeria. But many people don tell us say forget about this your plan to be president. We no want old man as president, na young blood now we dey find as president. We no want who go call dey sick, we dey carry all our money dey go treat body. Which now you come for abroad wey you say you go treat your leg. The one wey we get dey go London here and there every day, dey go treat ear, dey go treat this, dey go to the doctors for checkup. We no know say dey check up. Small time now you go come, you wey don still old, before you know you go dey travel, you go dey jet out of Nigeria on medical tourism. We no want president wey go dey give us medical tourism issues again for inside the country. But many other people don say more than forget all those things. Presidency no be hard labour, no be bricklayer work, no be Olympic race. Na to get the main ideas, to get people wey go fit work with your ideas and to input those ideas into the system. Then when you work, you say na one just to sit down, relax, dey watch how the thing dey go. Say president suppose to dey give order, no be president go dey work kiti kata for everywhere. Say Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu get wetin e take to be president of the country. As all these support groups chook body together say we support you Oga, we dey your back. Some other people don come outside come say lie, they can never support Bola Ahmed Tinubu to be president. Rather, they prefer somebody from the southeast to be president. Most of the people wey dey talk all this one, they not even come from the southeast. So some of them come from north, some of them come from west, some of them come from south, but they say make southeast produce president. They say Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we know say you be leader, and as a good leader wey you be, we dey expect you say you go put body join anybody wey dey come out from the southeast of your choice to become president. Say but this one wey you say you wan run for presidency, so all this one I will never understand o. Say well, make we dey look at the go. As some people don dey speculate now say Nigeria election 2023 election dey already conclude am, make we forget. Say those one wan carry our voters card go stand for line, say na to fulfill all righteousness. Say who they wan make as president, all of them don already know. Na that same person they go announce as president, unless youths of the country especially go put body say we no want old person as leader of our dear country, we want young person. Then they go pick any of the young people now wey dey talk say we wan be president. All of them go throw their weight behind that person. Say if not, na still old person na go still become president of the country come 2023. You see there with us for here on top DJM TV Daily News Update. My correct ogbongelicious person, you don hear am. All the support group they don chook body together. They say before they go dey work differently. This one dey here, this one dey here, but they dey work to make sure say they deliver their principles. They call am for politics. This one wan show say na him work pass, one wan show say na him work pass. But all the support group of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they don come together now say we dey solidly behind Bola Ahmed Tinubu for presidency. So you, my correct country person wey dey lis ten to me right now, wetin be your thoughts and comments concerning this new development wey just happen? So drop am for button for the comment section. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.com djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJMTV. 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 DJMTV.